A Chime credit builder payment usually fails when the secured transfer from your Chime checking account never actually moves into your credit builder secured balance, even though it looks like everything went through. By the end, you'll know exactly why that transfer fails, and the exact steps to get your credit builder payment working again without repeated declines. Credit builder on Chime works differently from a normal credit card. Every payment depends on money being moved first into a secured account, and that secured balance becomes your spending limit. If that internal transfer doesn't complete or gets reversed, the payment will fail, even if your main balance looks fine. The first common issue is insufficient available funds after pending transactions. Your checking balance can look high, but pending purchases reduce what's actually available for the secured transfer. When that happens, the credit builder payment never fully funds. Another issue is transfer timing. Credit builder relies on internal movement between accounts, and if that system is delayed, the payment attempt can hit before the funds are ready. That creates a failed payment, even though no spending problem exists on your end. Account restrictions can also block the transfer. If Chime flags your account for verification or unusual activity, internal transfers between checking and credit builder can be paused without warning. In that case, the payment fails before it even reaches the secured account. Merchant-side issues can also interfere when credit builder is used for recurring payments. Some merchants retry failed charges automatically, and repeated attempts can cause the system to reject the transaction instead of processing it normally. To fix it, start by opening your Chime app and checking both your checking balance and recent pending transactions. Make sure enough money is actually available after holds are counted. Next, go into your credit builder settings and confirm the secured account is active and linked properly. If the transfer looks stuck, wait for it to clear instead of retrying immediately, because repeated attempts can reset the processing queue. If your account shows any alerts or verification requests, complete them first before trying another payment. Internal transfers won't complete until those are resolved. If everything looks correct and it still fails, contact support inside the app so they can check whether your credit builder funding path is temporarily blocked. To sum it up, credit builder payment failures usually come from incomplete internal transfers, unavailable funds after pending holds, or account level restrictions. The fastest fix is checking your real available balance, confirming the secured account is active, and resolving any verification flags before retrying. Next step is to open your app and verify your credit builder funding status, so you can see exactly where the transfer is stopping. Then like and subscribe for more simple fixes for banking issues that actually break down what's happening behind the scenes.